Yeah, so this just broke through this level right here. It's doing a nice retracement, so we might hop in on the next candlestick depending on what it looks like. But we are kind of in a choppy spot right here. We are in some levels of traffic that's struggling, but overall we are still looking bearish on GU. And it just broke through this daily level off this candlestick and it's retracing a little bit. So it did do a nice drop. Broke through this level of traffic. So we're going to see what the next candlestick looks like. But what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Playmaker Way with the playbook. And y'all read the title, man. I call this a 130 plus pip move. It's actually a little bit further than 130 pips. It's at about 150 pips now. So I call this a 150 pip move live for free in yesterday's live stream trading GBPUSD. So before we get started, this is your first time watching this channel. Welcome. Appreciate y'all giving this video a chance. Make sure to stay though, hit that subscribe button because we don't just post trade breakdowns, trading tip videos, trading psychology videos, and prop firm tips, but we also live trade and live stream every day, London session, 3 a.m. EST. All right. And if you can't make the live streams, make sure to click the first link in the description and join the free signal room on the right side of your screen. You're going to see how we did yesterday and how we did the week before. We're currently up 14.0 for the week. We went 4.0 yesterday and we went 6.0 on Tuesday. And I think 4.0 on Wednesday as well. And as you can see, this is real-time price is currently still dropping. All right, so this is currently at a 1 to 5 risk to reward. That means if you risked $100, you're up $500. So now let's break down why I even took this trade. So the first thing you want to do is go on the daily time frame. The main reason why is because price moves on a day-by-day, week-by-week, month-by-month basis. So because of that, we need to be on the bigger time frame so we can see overall direction prices going. So as you can see, we've been in the uptrend since last September until price did a huge rejection down and the downtrend is now beginning. So if everything showing me buys, aka uptrend, I'm only going to look for buys. If everything showing me sells, aka a downtrend, I'm only going to look for sells. So if you're ever confused on whether to determine if the uptrend is going to continue or if the trend is about to reverse, I do have videos about to pop up right now titled How to Identify the Trend. Make sure to check that out. It's simple, straight to the point, because trading doesn't have to be complicated. Now we need to split up the chart so we can look at exactly what would be the best place for an entry. Boom. Now we got the price split up. We got the chart split up. Now let's dissect why we even entered this trade. So we can clearly see right here. Let's get rid of some of these levels. We can clearly see right here how price is reacting to this golden level here. Let me bold these up for you just to make sure y'all can see what I'm seeing. So we can clearly see here how price is treating this level as a support level. Boom. And then we see the rejection wicks treating as a resistance. And then we also see price treating the same level as a resistance, just like how we see price treating this level as support. And then the wicks right here treating price right here as a support level as well. So if you don't know how to read candlesticks, I also have a video titled How to Read Candlesticks. It's about to pop up for you right now. Make sure to check that out because you cannot trade properly without understanding and determining the trend, and reading candlesticks is very, very, very important. So now let's break down why I even took the trade. Now that we know what level we want to enter off of, now we want to go on the smaller time frames to see exactly what price is doing. So y'all saw at the beginning of the video that clip from the live stream. I'm going to link the full live stream in the comment section down below. But you can clearly see here that price broke this level. And as we go on the smaller time frame, you can more clearly see how price is treating this level as support and resistance level. You can see all this golden line, how price is treating this level as support and resistance level time and time and time again. This was all the way in November, 2 months ago. So it's been doing it for a longer time, but 2 months is enough to be like, okay, price is constantly reacting to this level over and over again the same way. It makes sense to trade off of this level. So we just had to patiently wait for price to break through. We see price broke through with confirmation candlesticks, and then we entered. Boom, TP1 got hit off rip. But also notice how it was in the live stream clip as well. Well, in the live stream video, I should say, price was constantly struggling to break past TP1. Now, there's a reason why. You can look to the left and you see why it's doing that. But again, you just got to trust the trade, trust the analysis. Overall, is in a downtrend, so we have a higher chance of price going our way. All right, and plus, this is more of a day trade, so you know the whole move is not going to rip down 100 pips in 1 hour. Now that can happen, but with this pair, not so much, you know what I mean? So we just have to patiently wait. So another thing, we're in drawdown, but I want to stress how this is why it's so important to look at a chart, because if you're looking at a chart, you can see what price is doing. You enter the trade based off a chart. So while you're in a trade and managing a trade, you need to continue to look at the chart. So we can clearly see here that price is just retesting the support resistance level, and it's respecting it as a resistance, because if we zoom in, you can see off these wicks here how price is just bouncing off this level. So that's definitely a good sign. We weren't even 50% in the drawdown in the red. 50% mark would have been like right here. We weren't even that far in the red. So that's another reason why it's important to stay calm and just look at the chart at all times. Then right as soon as the news started, boom, price ripped and broke through these levels. And yeah, it was definitely worth the wait. Just got to be patient. Patience pays. You know what I'm saying? So very simple, to the point, because again, trading doesn't have to be complicated. If y'all enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, or concerns you may have. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at the bottom of the screen at playmaker_. Same spelling as the YouTube. If you want to contact me directly, hit me up on Instagram. Make sure to free signal room, first thing in the description. If you're interested in learning how to trade like this, I do offer one-on-one mentorships, and at the time this video is being recorded and posted, which is on Friday, the course will be dropping next week on Sunday. It's going to be over 3 hours worth of footage and tips and knowledge, and there's a bunch of other stuff that comes with it. You're going to be having access to the member and student Zoom webinar sessions. Also going to be having access to, they're all going to be recorded, so if you do miss them, there's going to be a separate channel for the course where you can have literally endless knowledge to improve your trading. All right, and this strategy doesn't just work on Forex, it works on metals, indices, cryptos, options, stocks. This is literally how you read any chart. All right, see y'all in the next